Hey, what's going on, Teach Me to Fish community? This is Benny Childs. I am your Forex pastor, and I'm coming back with another inspirational video. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, awesome. And let me just make sure that we are streaming this. Again, this is an inspirational video. Okay, uh, awesome. Okay, all right. So we're back with another inspirational video. All right, and so let's go ahead and pull up what we have here. Okay, all right. So I am currently in this trade, guys. Okay, all right. You may or may not know my forex broker. All right, is about 7 hours ahead. Okay, of my Eastern Standard Time, and this is GMT time. So GMT 2251. I entered this trade on GBP USD at a point 0.9 standard. So a dollar shy of, excuse me, at a point 0.9 lot size, $1 shy of one standard. All right, and I want to explain to you guys how I entered into this trade really briefly. Hopefully, I can bring some context to your trading, as well as encourage you guys to join the Teach Me to Fish Effects trading community. All right, so what we have here, I entered this trade off of, let's see, I was waiting for the 4 hour to take place. All right, waiting for just one more entry rule to be met on the 4 hour. However, um, I did not get that. Okay, and so and let me pull up my Epic pen here. All right, and so what I was doing, I was working my way down the time frames, trying to get an entry. All right, and lo and behold, I had an entry on the 15-minute time frame. Okay, a lot of you market beaters, you guys like to trade this. Excuse me, a lot of you market makers like to trade this. Okay, 15-minute time frame, that is. All right, and so I want to show you guys how easy it is for you guys to trade it, because my workflow system, you're going to get an exhausting square. Okay, letting you know when the market is at an exhaustion point. All right, and then from there you can pretty much look for your M&W patterns, but I have some other entry rules to help you to better enter in a quality trade. All right, a highly probable trade. Okay, it's highly now. It's not 100%. All right, there is no 100% strategy, but definitely, I can definitely help you guys win more of your trades than you lose them. Okay, all right, so again, we had the high of the day here. I missed out on that, with the kids and everything, helping them with their schoolwork. So I just kind of waited for this. GBP USD has been my pair for this week that I've been looking at, because I was actually watching this on the higher time frames. Okay. Um, was actually watching this on the higher time frames for a trade, all right, for a swing trade. But again, I kind of had to drill down and kind of just scalp the market again using my workflow trading system. All right. So again, this trading system, it allows you to scalp off of the 1 minute. Okay. I usually like to use scalp off of the uh, S&P 500 off of the 1 minute. Okay, um, that's usually what I do. Either the S&P 500 or gold. All right, these two um, currencies, if you will, they move pretty fast on the 1 minute. Okay, and so you can even see here where this would have been a good run. This gave us a total profit range of 89 pips off of the 1 minute. Um, Off of the 1 minute. Okay, so yeah. Uh, so But anyway, let's get into this trade that I'm on. So currently I am up $121.50 for the trade. However, uh, with Hugo's way, they charge a swap fee whenever you hold your trades over. So that's what's taking place. And so basically what I've done again was I enter it in on the 15-minute chart. And now based on my workflow, and you guys excuse me, you're gonna hear my kids getting a shower. But basically, what I did with my workflow system, I'm scaling up to see what's the highest time frame that I will be able to manage this trade on. Okay, since I entered in on the 15-minute chart. Okay, I am about 12 points. 12 points in profit. Okay, and so what I want to do is based on the entry rules for my workflow trading system, I'm basically scaling up. Okay, I'm scaling up, making sure I have entry rules, and I'm trying to go to the highest time frame that I can scale up to that has my entry rules. All right, so my entry rules still have not been met. Okay, on the 4 hour, but it is. I definitely have confidence because of my higher time frame analysis that I will get this eventually. It's just taking some time getting out of this higher time frame accumulation area. So right now, the highest time frame that I can work with is the 1 hour. So basically, what I'm doing here on the 1 hour, I'm simply going to wait for an exhaustion square to pop up. Once that exhaustion square pops up, I'm then going to use my exit rules. Okay, all right. And the reason why I have separate exit rules is because, like I always tell you guys, I'm upfront with you guys, these exhaustion squares they do repaint. Okay, so today is Wednesday, and if I actually let's do this, and I tried to do this for you guys yesterday, but I was having some issues. So let's pick this light blue color here. Okay, and I'll leave it here. So um, one thing they tell you guys when you trade in the market makers method, if you're looking for the midweek reversal, you can see these levels best on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, on the 1 hour time frame, and you're simply looking for three levels. Okay, I'm going to show you. Here's level one. Okay, here is level two. All right, now this is broken here. Here's level three. Here is level four. Here is level five, and here is level six. Now, one of the misconceptions that takes place is you guys think that there can only be you guys think that there can only be three levels. Well, in all actuality, you're looking to have at least three levels. Okay, and then here, let's redo this. You're looking to have at least three levels. Okay, one, two, three, four, five, six. Okay, and let me grab this. I'll make this red. Again, you got one, two, three, four, five, six. Okay, so again, it's a minimum of three, but you can certainly have more than three. Okay, this is the most that I've seen so far in my trading career. I've heard other people say that they've seen eight or nine. The most I've seen is about six so far. Okay, and so we actually had three pushes from this uh, peak high formation, which gives us our M. Okay. All right. So from there again, you had actually more, more. You actually this. I'm just not seeing this, and this is actually seven. What I want to do, I want this. Okay, this is actually 7 pushes, guys. 7 pushes off of that. All right, and so a lot of times you guys are only looking for 3 pushes, and that is why you get stopped out. Okay, or you blow your account. Okay, um, that's why it's very important for us to allow the market to tell us what it's going to do, and then we react to the market. Okay, and also only trade pairs that will give you um, um, the obvious trade. Okay, that's what I do. Okay, I trade the obvious. If I'm going to trade the market makers, I trade the obvious. Okay, I'm a little bit more evolved in my trading because um, the market makers is the tip of the iceberg. Okay, and if you guys knew what was underneath the surface, you wouldn't trade that as much, or you would build on top of that. And I show you just how to do that. Okay, I show you just how to do that inside of the community. Okay, all right. So let's see if I go to account history, you guys can see. Again, I woke up today to a $504 profit, $504.46. Okay, overnight. I was asleep, woke up this morning around six something, and cashed out for 504. Okay, and so we're working again. We're gonna let the market do its thing. Again, I suspect that the reversal if you're trading this on the lower time frames. However, on the higher time frames, I am expecting this to continue up to the upside for a little ways. Okay, and so again, I'm going to manage this trade and do my best to um, manage it to the point to where I can catch up with my higher time frame analysis. Okay, sometimes you're not able to do that. You're not successful in doing that, and other times you are. All right, it's about a 50-50. But either way, um, we're gonna get some pips for scalping, and then we'll also get some pips for swinging. Okay, and again, my workflow trading system shows you exactly how you can do that. Okay. All right, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here because it's dinner time. Then I also have a trading session to do with the community on tonight, which again is a benefit of being a part of the community. Again, help you catch these pips. All right. Again, that's why I stand behind my claim. If you sign up, you can trade. You can be profitable within 24 hours. That is depending on if you have your broker set up or not. It really does not matter your trading experience because you're going to be trading with me. Okay, I'm going to send out pair alerts for you to take a look at. Okay, you're going to look at the training video and understand what it is that I am alerting you to. Okay, and then you're gonna trade with me. All right, you're gonna trade with me. You're gonna catch this. You're gonna catch the $504, or you'll be currently like in this trade. So I stand behind my claim that if you sign up, as long as even on the weekends, if you sign up and you already have a Hugo's Way broker's account, Hugo's Way has access to crypto, which crypto trades all weekend. My go-to pair is Litecoin versus the USD dollar. Okay, that's my go-to pair that I trade over the weekend. Okay, so even if you trade over the weekend, as long as you have Hugo's Way. Okay, I don't know of any other brokers out there that may trade Bitcoin over the weekend. You guys let me know in the comments what brokers are out there. I don't know. I just kind of found Hugo's Way and stuck with it. Okay, so as long as you have that broker set up, you have which is Hugo's Way, you have money in your account, even on the over the weekends. You can trade with me. And so whenever I get the alert that I have a new member, okay, I make sure I'm double make sure that I am sending out these, I call them pair watches. They're similar. what you may know as a trade alert for your own trading. Okay, you're feel comfortable with getting in the trade, then you get in the trade, and I also tell you to trade accordingly. All right. So right now, this is fluctuating. Sure, if we go down to the 5 minute chart, we'll see why. Yeah, there is an exhaustion square here, and so even on the 5 minute chart, even during Asian session, I know a lot of people tell you, hey, you can't trade during Asian session. Yeah, you can trade during Asian session. I pretty much recommend not to, okay, but you can. But if you're trading the market maker's method, if you're gonna follow those rules to a T, then they tell you not to trade the Asian session. But I'm showing you that you can trade the Asian session. Even if we come back here and look at yesterday, all right, the Asian session could have been traded. Exhaustion square, okay, and you could have rolled it down to that exhaustion square, which is giving us a profit range of 34 pips. Hey, that's 34 pips throughout, over the night. You have insomnia, you can do it. All right. And there are so many pairs that you can pick from. This is just the GBP USD. Okay. So that's why we're getting this pullback on the 15-minute chart right now. That's because on the 5 minute chart, um, the market is making its way down, okay, to its next exhaustion point, which probably would be, I can make a guess, maybe down here. All right, probably tonight. So, but yeah, I just wanted to bring this to you guys just as an inspiration, just to let you know, hey, we're Teach Me to Fish FX trading community. We're out here catching these pips. We may not catch them every day, all right, but we can catch them every day. Just depends on what you have going on. But you're gonna catch your pips every week, okay? I'll working together to put together a strategy to show you how to make a minimum of $200 a day. Now, of course, this is going to um, be dependent on your account size. Okay, so there's going to be a recommended account size, but I want to show you how to make $200 per day, and so that way it will about $1,000 a week. All right, guys. All right, so other than that, I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. You guys see it's already coming down on me, but it's all good. We're gonna ride this out to the exhaustion square. I have my mental stop loss, and I'm prepared to watch it tonight. All right, and babysit this trade just a little bit. All right, but yeah. Other than that, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. As always, please remember, if you stay in God, you will stay in control. And until next time, happy pip fishing. Bye bye.